The involvation his fires over his preaches until the way description from a facing and what after the phone case NBA wayfam. What if you could make $100 every single day using just your phone, a few AI tools, and absolutely zero experience? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2005, people just like you, students, jobless youth, 9 to 5 employees, are ditching traditional side hustles and building AI-powered income streams from their bedrooms. The real question isn't, can AI make you money? It's, how fast can you start? So today, I'll walk you through a real, beginner-friendly method to start making $100 per day using AI tools, step by step. No fluff, no hype, just smart work. Act 2. Step-by-step breakdown, the 5 stages. Step 1. Pick a high-income AI skill. Step 1. Pick a high-income AI skills anyone can start with. Here are 3 powerful, easy-to-use AI skills anyone can start with. Script writing for YouTube and Reels. Voiceovers using ElevenLabs. Each of these skills has real demand on Fiverr, Upwork, or even your own YouTube channel. Step 2. Choose a platform to sell or post. Now that you've picked a skill, decide how you'll make money. As a freelancer, use Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour. As a creator, start a YouTube channel or IG page. As a service, sell video editing or voiceover to small businesses. Step 3. Use AI to automate 90% of the work. Here's where it gets fun. Let's say you're doing YouTube automation. Use ChatGPT for viral, emotion-driven scripts. Generate voiceovers using ElevenLabs or Flicky US Accent. Use Pictory or InVideo to create full videos with stock visuals. For thumbnails, use Canva AI or Midjourney plus Photoshop. Now you're producing content like a pro, without hiring anyone. Step 4. Deliver or post daily. Whether you're posting on YouTube or delivering to clients, consistency matters. Why? Because with each piece of content or gig, you learn, you earn, you grow faster. Set a goal. 1 short video or gig per day equals $100 per day potential within weeks. Step 5. Scale with strategy. Once you've done your first $100, repeat the process. Outsource the basic stuff. Build a small team. Use your income to buy time. And always remember, those who scale fast with systems, not stress, win big. Act 3. Emotional payoff plus